This is my little buddy right here. Yeah, there you go. Smile for the camera. There you go. Smile for the camera. And this is what they do when they get ready to go to sleep after eating a full course meal. They sit and jockey and jockey and jockey to see who gets top and who gets bottom. You see the plate is clean. Yeah. This is an ongoing thing. I'm getting the top, you getting the bottom bumps. This is what we do. Yeah, one guy he just wants to play. Oh no, they're just trying to squeeze in with the rest of them. The American Bulldogs. The boys are 500. The girls are 600. They have AKC papers. They will have their first or second set of shots depending on when they leave. They will be dewormed. Well, if you're interested in American Bulldog, give me a call at 216-376-0706. They will be ready to go by March 15th. We'll make them 8 weeks old. So, you can do a payment plan or however you want to do it. But if you're interested in American Bulldog, they're they're good dogs. They're good dogs. The mother's good, the father's good. So, you can go on Facebook and see the mother and the father at Arthur, A-R-T-H-U-R, Card, C-A-R-D. That's Arthur Card, A-R-T-H-U-R, C-A-R-D. You can call it 247 because I want them gone by March. My number is 216-376-0706. Like I said, call it 247. If you're really interested in an American Bulldog and you have some time to spend with an animal. If you don't have time to spend with them, it's not a good thing. You need time to spend with a dog to at least walk them, I'd say at least 30 minutes a day, or at least every other day. So, if you're interested in an American Bulldog, give me a call. Thank you and have a good day.